Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 4 in mobile. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, we have to download MetaTrader 4. So if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store, and if you have an Android, go obviously to the Play Store. So for me, I have an Android and I will go to the Play Store. Then go to search and type MetaTrader 4. Then click on install and wait until it's installed. Okay. Now click on open. And as you can see, welcome to MetaTrader. So to create the account, just click accept. As you can see here, open a demo account. Click accept again. And these are the currencies. So if you go to codes, go to manage account. As you can see, this is your account. You have a $100,000 demo account on MetaTrader 4. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.